There we go. Let's come out here and kick names and kick ass. Oh, yeah. Cucumbers. I've had a couple already. Some are good. Some are not, but that's okay. Good for initial. Look at this nice pile of goodness over here. Yay! Sunflowers. Should be a whole batch of them over here, but only 2 came up. Good enough. Sugar cane doing great. Good. Sugar cane. Check out some of the nasturtiums from last time. They look a little better. We're going out there a little bit later on today. Boris, looks like it's tipped over. I think it's just growing that way. Potato. And then we're going to stop growing. Before the harvest of some of this red wheat red wheat, hard red wheat, which is used for wheatgrass. And once that turns golden, I'm going to go ahead and pick those pods, dry them out for 2-3 days, and replant them. How about that? And I got just a bed over here. And it's now starting to become full out of goodness. There. Okay, so we're just doing like a before. I did one yesterday, but I wanted to do it and make sure I got a good one. Okay. Aloha.